Hey guys, what's going on? It's Josh from joshelder.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make a custom YouTube thumbnail with a website called canva.com. Now, why do we want a custom thumbnail? Well, we want a custom thumbnail so we can stand out in the top 10 to 14 search results within YouTube, and we want people to click our video. That's the whole purpose, right? So if we get more people clicking and engaging with our video, that will increase our rankings. It gives YouTube more data to go off of, thus helping us overall get more exposure to our video. So the goal here is to create a thumbnail that stands out amongst the rest. So let's go ahead and jump to my computer and I'll show you canva.com, and I'll show you exactly how to make a custom YouTube thumbnail. Also, if you haven't already subscribed to this channel, please do so by clicking the red subscribe button below. And don't forget to tick the bell icon to receive updates on videos that I upload when I upload them. So let's go ahead, jump to my computer, and let's get started. Okay, so there's two ways that you can go about creating the picture for your YouTube thumbnail. Way number one is going to be a little bit lower quality. What you can do is you can actually take a screen capture photo of your actual video, or way number two is to take a picture with your iPhone, smartphone, or you can use your camera. So I like to use my iPhone or my camera because the picture quality is just a higher quality. And of course I want to get the most out of my video as far as video quality and my thumbnail. So that's what I would suggest that you do, is that you use your iPhone or you use a camera. If you don't have access to that, what you can do is you can use a software called Jing. If I just type in Jing screen capture software, if I can type today, you can go straight to techsmith.com/screen capture, or you can go to this second result right here and just click here, and then you can instantly download Jing. And then what you would do is, let's say for example that we want to create a thumbnail from this video. So what I would do is I would go up here to Jing and I would click this little crosshair button here, and then I'd go on top of the actual video and I just click the mouse button, and then it creates my thumbnail right from there. And then I just go ahead and save it, and we'll just type in YouTube thumbnail, and I could save it to my desktop and then obviously upload it to canva.com. So that's way number one. The other way, of course, is to just take a photo with your iPhone or your smartphone or with your camera, which is what we did here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this photo, we're going to upload it to canva.com, and then we're going to create a thumbnail from this specific photo. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to google.com, and what I'll typically do is just type in Canva YouTube thumbnail, and it'll take me to the YouTube thumbnail section right here, first result. And then we'll click on Start Designing a YouTube Thumbnail. And boom. We have a bunch of different templates right here that we can use. Also, if you're already signed in and you go back to canva.com, you can see some previous work. So here's some other thumbnails that I did. And of course, you can see that my thumbnails have improved over time from when I first got started. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to create a thumbnail from scratch. So what we can do is we can pick any of these templates right here. So for example, let's say we want to use this one. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that, I'm just going to drag it. And then since I have my own photo, I'm just going to delete the background. So I'm going to select the background here. I'm going to select delete. And I'm also going to select the actual template that the photo goes on. And I'm going to delete that too as well. So now all we have is we have the text, which we can select the text there, and we can change the color. Now you can play around with this. There's so many different things that you can do. So don't worry about breaking some things as you're, just trying new things out with this online software. I think it's awesome, and it's free unless you want to like download some elements, such as like maybe graphics, little graphics that you want to put in your video. So what you can do is you can just search tons of different images right here. So if I wanted to add like money to my video or my video thumbnail, what I can do is I can select like this money bag right here and drag it, right? So pretty cool right there. You can also go down here and you can pay like $1 to get other clip art as well. So pretty cool there. And then you can add different elements, especially if you want to create it from scratch. But typically what I'll do is I'll just create a thumbnail from the layout section. Like if I find text that I really like, you know, I'll just use the whole entire layout instead of like manually building it from scratch. And you can do that. You can go to the text section and you can see all the different fonts that you can use. And you can pick these fonts and just obviously drag and drop. It's really that easy, you guys. So in this case, we're going to keep it stupid simple like we always do. So we're going to delete that. And then we're going to delete this here. Looks like we have to delete all the text. So now that we've got that, what we want to do is we want to go to uploads. And we're just going to drag our image to the upload section. And as that's doing that, we can also, you know, change the background too as well. If we want it to be black, we can change it to black. This is white. It looks like there's some extra text here that we can delete. But we're going to keep this white in this case because our background is going to be our actual image. But you can see we have tons of different backgrounds that we can choose from as well. So lots of cool stuff. We also have the element section, so we can add grids. If we want to split up the layout, we got free photos here. You got shapes. So if you want to add like a square box here and then you want to put text on top of that, you can do that too as well. We can also arrange this so it goes to the back. So if we wanted to make this, obviously we put it on the top there and we change this to white. Boom, you can see that the square's on the back of the text. We can also change it to the front, back to the back. So you guys kind of get the idea there. So what we're going to do, we're going to change this back to black. We're going to drag it over here. We're going to delete this square because we're probably not going to use it. We might use it. Delete that. And then we're going to go back to uploads and we're going to take our thumbnail and boom, we're going to drop it. And we're going to arrange that to the back. And we're going to pull that a little bit this way. We're going to pull it a little bit that way. And the title is going to be, let's see, how to make a custom YouTube thumbnail. And it's a tutorial. So do that, and then we want to select it and drag it here, and then let's change the font to white. Let's try that on. Let's see how that looks. Not too bad. I probably want it to be filled in here, so we probably want to add something else. So what we'll do is we will actually, see if I can get more of this window here. Okay, it looks like I just had to refresh the page. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the element section and we are going to add a shape. So let's add this shape. Let's arrange it to the back. And let's see if we can change the color of this. So what we're going to want to do is we're going to go up here. We're going to change this to black. And we're going to move it just like that. Boom. So there we have it. So that is our custom thumbnail. We'll maybe just move this down a little bit. And again, I'm just doing this live, unscripted, so this is sort of what we came up with. Of course, there are so many more things that you can do if you want to do them. I'm sure we can probably change like the outline of the square here. And you can add lines, you can add frames. So if we wanted to add a frame, we could probably do that too as well. But you just got tons and tons of different elements that you can use. So we're just going to keep that for now. And I'm going to move this over just a little bit. I think that looks perfect right there. So that is our thumbnail. And then what we're going to do is we are going to just click the download button and download this straight to our computer, and we are done. So I hope you got tons of value from this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, give me a like, and don't forget to comment below. If you got any questions, any comments, I love to hear your feedback. Let's create a conversation in the comments section. And also don't forget to subscribe to this channel and check out the resources section with tips and training on how to take your YouTube game to the next level and really how to build a whole entire YouTube business from scratch using and leveraging little smartphone videos, your iPhone, your smartphone, and the YouTube platform. So with that said, this is Josh Elder from joshelder.com signing off, and we will see you in future videos. Take care.